Yo, what the deal, YouTube? This is your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video. And today, this is something like super duper different than what I actually be doing for y'all. I'm actually going to show y'all how I make a lot of my own tools, as you would say. Right now, as you could probably see, I'm making a green screen. You know what I'm saying? I'm making a green screen. I got this fluorescent spray paint right here, and I got the back of a picture frame that you can, or a poster frame rather, that you can get from Walmart or whatever. So I got the paint and the actual picture frame from Walmart, and the plan is to spray paint this background green, put the poster frame back together, and hang this up as if it were a picture, except for it is an actual green screen. So what I got done already is the first coat. I wasn't going to record this, but then I suddenly decided to, so we kind of already rocking with it. But I got the first coat down, and that's what we're doing right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go through and hit it maybe one or two more times. I'm letting it dry right now, so I'm gonna hit it like one more time, maybe two more times, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I put it back together. So yeah, hold tight. So right now, about to put that other coat on, second coat. You know what I mean? So we pretty much go back and forth with it like that. Nice, even strokes. Nice, even strokes. And now we're gonna come vertical with it. And then we let that dry. It's starting to come together, but I think I want to put a couple more on it. All right, so we coming back out here now. Check on it. Yeah, it's starting to look all right. I think one more coat will do. I do. So let's hit it again. Same direction. You're gonna take the can up a little bit. You always want to make sure your paint is mixed. You know what I'm saying? You don't never want to go and start just spraying spray paint. You know what I'm saying? You definitely want any paint for that matter. You want to make sure it's mixed up good. So yeah, here we go. And you want to be a few inches away from the actual thing that you're painting too. Just a little tip. Make them even. Come back up with it. Same thing. Oh, my nozzle's starting to get clogged up. You want to watch for that too. Well, I'm ashy as a fool, boy. It's all good, because I'm out here, 6 in the morning for y'all. You feel me? Oh, and it's my mom's birthday today. So yeah, this video right here is dedicated to my mother. You know what I'm saying? And it's funny anyway, because she's a creative type of girl. You know what I'm saying? Woman. You know what I mean? Black, beautiful woman. Happy birthday to my mother. I love you so much. Because it's because of you that I have the mind to do things like this. You know what I'm saying? And things like this is what helps us survive during these pandemics, man. We go back to what we know. We create and invent. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, happy birthday to you, Mom. I love you. Yeah, let that dry for a while. Yeah, this nozzle is really clogged. So you definitely don't want to do that, because what'll end up happening is it'll start dripping. You know what I'm saying? You'll get uneven sprays. So yeah, you definitely want to clean that off. Keep your nozzle clean, B. So right now I'm letting it dry. We got the nozzle cleaned off, but I don't think I need another coat. If we do, you know what I'm saying, we'll just hit it again. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take it inside and pretty much test it out. You know what I'm saying? See if we can really get it to work. Because really the idea of keying is even colors. It has to be even, of course, and it has to be lit evenly. And also, um, when you keying it out, what helps a lot too is the fact that you're keying out an exact color. You know what I'm saying? So you want to do color key when you're doing this. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we letting it dry, and then we gonna bring it in. All right, so I got it inside, guys, and I can already tell that this is gonna work really well. What I'm gonna do now is pretty much mount it back into the frame, which is easy. If you ever put a picture frame, excuse me, if you ever put a picture in a frame, you can do this. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much all we doing is taking off the back of the picture frame or the poster frame and not putting any type of pictures in it. You know, we just painting the actual mounting back of the frame green and putting it back together. As you can see, it definitely works. The green is keyed out. Let's pause it a minute. The green is keyed out. Let's go over to our effect controls, and I'll show you that the green is actually keyed out. And when I disable the effect, you'll notice that it's green again. So yeah, it worked. And I'm sure this will work for like any type of post-production stuff. Like if you want to hang up pictures and you want to get something inside the picture to move or something like that. Like I'm sure that'll help you achieve. This will help you achieve that. So yeah, it's your man Frank Dutch, man. I hope this video helped y'all. If it did, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. We out of here. Peace. Happy birthday, mama. I love you. One.